Hi there. I'm Chef Crumble, the finest ant chef in the forest. So, you'd think cooking is simple, right? Wrong. Especially when you're an ant chef. I've spent weeks perfecting my crumb castle deluxe. It's all about balance. One crumb too many, and, well, everything goes flat. Now, most ants just grab crumbs and run. But me? Oh no, no, no. I'm an artist. A crumb artist. Look at that berry. It's a masterpiece. Well, okay, it's a snack, but still. It's art, and maybe lunch. See, here's the thing, balance is everything. In life too. Sometimes you pile too much on, and it all crumbles, literally. See? Told ya. But that's the thing, my friends. Sometimes things don't go perfectly, and that's okay. Remember, it's not about how big your crumb castle is. It's how you handle it when it all comes tumbling down.